Hi friends. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. Miyazaki mango is said to be the world's most expensive mango variety, sold for 2.7 lakh rupees and cultivated under special conditions. Indians' love for mangoes is a well-known fact. From Benganpalli to Dusseri, Alfonso to Langda, there are so many varieties of the yummy fruit found in every region of the country. The king of fruits also finds its way to many Indian recipes, be it drinks, desserts, or even main course. But did you know that the world's most expensive mango variety is actually from Japan? The Miyazaki mango is one of the most famous fruits cultivated in the Miyazaki city in Japan. What is Miyazaki mango? The highest quality Miyazaki mangoes are branded and sold as Taiyo no Tomago, or eggs of sunshine. Rather than green or yellow, the skin of the Miyazaki mango is a flaming red and actually shaped like a giant dinosaur egg. There are certain specifications for every mango, such as its weight, sugar content, color, and shape. According to reports, the Miyazaki mango must weigh at least 350 grams and have a sugar content of 15% or more. The cultivation of Miyazaki mango requires long hours of bright sunshine, warm weather, and plenty of rainfall. There is also a protective net around each mango to allow sunshine to hit it uniformly and give it the unique shape. It is said that the mangoes started being cultivated in Miyazaki city in the year 1984. The juicy mango variety is available only from April to August. A majority of the mangoes are sold off between May to June. Apart from being used for gifting, the seasonal delight is also incorporated in a number of local recipes such as parfaits, puddings, curries, or even pasta. What is the price of Miyazaki mango? Miyazaki mango is said to be a premium fruit and one of the most expensive ones sold in Japan. The price reportedly starts from 8,600 rupees and can go up to 2.7 lakh rupees for a box of 2 mangoes. Where to find Miyazaki mango? Other than Japan, the Miyazaki mango is also cultivated in some other countries with the ideal weather conditions. This includes Thailand, Philippines, and India. Recently, a report by HT revealed that an orchardist couple are growing the Miyazaki mango variety in their farm in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. They had to employ 4 guards and 7 dogs to protect the rare mangoes from being stolen. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.